Hi everyone, in this video I'll be talking about DNA polymerase 3 from E. coli. Basically, in case of DNA polymerase 3 that has both the polymerase activity 3' to 5' exonuclease activity, but it doesn't have any kind of 5' to 3' exonuclease activity. The 5' to 3' exonuclease activity was a big no for DNA polymerase 3. As DNA polymerase 3's 5' to 3' exonuclease cannot excise out or cut the DNA from the single-stranded one, that is why it cannot be used. And for the processivity of the DNA polymerase 3, basically it means the rate, the reaction speed by the DNA polymerase 3, which is basically a polymerase for DNA replication, that completely depends upon gamma complex. Okay, so DNA polymerase 3 core enzyme, the core enzyme that consists of 3 subunits, alpha, epsilon and theta. Along with this, the gamma complex, basically the beta subunit of the gamma complex, speeds up the DNA polymerization activity of DNA polymerase 3. Basically, the core subunit, which is the alpha subunit, is imparts for the polymerase activity. The polymerase activity comes from alpha subunit. The epsilon subunit that donates for 3' to 5' exonuclease activity, and theta is basically enhance this 3' to 5' exonuclease activity of epsilon. But whenever beta subunit is present in the holoenzyme with this core enzyme complex, it actually enhances the polymerization activity or the speed up that reaction. Now the first thing is how it will be attached. The DNA polymerase 3 core enzyme, that will be attached via this beta subunit, because the beta subunit, whenever the beta subunit, it will be attached to the single-stranded DNA template in an ATP dependent manner. With the help of ATP hydrolysis, the energy that will be utilized by beta subunit from gamma complex, that will be attached to the DNA template, and that will further help to attach this core complex of DNA polymerase 3 and start the reaction, and DNA polymerization proceeds. So in this way, the gamma complex, specifically the beta subunit, that helps in the DNA polymerization activity and speeds up the reaction. Thank you so much. If you like, please subscribe my channel, and Happy New Year.